everyone. I'm Mahima Bandhia. I'm a Master's in Economics from Delhi School of Economics, did my graduation in Economics from SRCC, and I have been teaching students to clear the MA Economics entrance exam since the year 2010. Yes, since the last 14 years, we have humbly, successfully placed thousands of students at the top institutes like ISI, DSE, IGITR, JNU, and so many others. Why did we only do MA Economics for all these years? Well, when I finished college and my partner finished college, we wanted to help more students like us make a career. We saw the opportunities that we had and the opportunities that some of them didn't. So our first endeavor was to help people get jobs, to help people build a career. And that is why this was the first thing that we focused on, helping students get into the top MA Economics colleges so that they can make a career for themselves and get good jobs and support their families. That has been our motto since the last 14 years. And honestly, we were pretty satisfied with it. And we continued doing that and doing no other thing. Focusing, we were perhaps the only institute to only focus on getting students MA Economics degrees at good colleges for 14 long years. Now, after so many years, we realized that time and again, every year, one challenge that we face are students coming to us to want to pursue a master's but really don't even have their basic skills in place. So in 1 year, we have to take them not just to a level where they can solve the questions that appear in exams like ISI and IIT, but also to cover their basics. Sometimes that becomes a tall ask. Sometimes it is difficult for us to do things at a pace which may be required by a student, to go slow and steady in our approach to teaching economics and not just focus on getting them to crack an MA Economics program, getting them to solve the questions that come in the entrance exams of MA Economics papers. So after all these years, we thought, why not help students at the base? Why not help them with their concepts and understanding from the beginning? Yes, everyone, what you have been asking for all these years, we are here to deliver now. In 2024, Edusure is first time offering your semester exam syllabus. Semester 1 students with your Introductory Microeconomics, Introductory Mathematics and Introductory Statistics, Edusure is coming to help you teach you your semester syllabus well in a manner that only Edusure can, with lectures which are paced in a manner that you can understand them conceptually, graphically and mathematically, solving questions of a wide variety and giving you enough questions to practice so that your concepts are solid from the beginning. And then whatever path in the future you choose for yourself, you can devote time to achieving it instead of struggling with your basics again and again. Yes, everyone, me being from SRCC and DSE, Thankyou Sir being from Xavier's and ISI, we are here to help you from the beginning. So come and check out Edusure, come and see our courses, come and experience us from the beginning. As a surprise offer and as a gift from us to you, we are offering you one of our programs absolutely free. So come and check us at edusure.in and welcome to the world of Edusure.